good evening and good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Brian, and today I'm going to take you through this recipe of rice and a stew of potatoes and beef. So the first thing that you want to do is lay out your ingredients as follows. For a serving of 4, you have 4 potatoes, 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, a green bell pepper and some coriander. And for the rice, you have 1.5 cups, which you will boil 3 cups of water. Don't forget to add a teaspoon of oil so that it doesn't stick to the saucepan. Add salt to taste, and for the beef stew, you have to follow the video so that you can get the recipe correct and don't mess up in any part of the recipe. So with all that, I would like to tell you, like, share, subscribe, and make sure you click the link in bio so that you can get my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much. Remember to click on the little bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a new video. Bye. Have a great time. Click on the